This car will also stream audio. It's got the option. Now, if you go into music, you see this red triangle here with 3 red circles. If you click on that, it's not actually showing the Audi. So if we go into menu, telephone, and then settings in the right hand corner, click settings, down to Bluetooth, it's got discoverability, Bluetooth audio player on, find Bluetooth devices, bonded Bluetooth devices, Bluetooth name, so bonded Bluetooth devices, Barry's iPhone, click on that, and you see there audio player is not connected. So down to audio player, it's connected as hands-free but not audio player, so just click connect and we'll see here if it comes up. There you go, it's come up and there's a tick by it. So we'll turn that up, go back, click play, and then we have to go to media. And there you go, it's playing now. So this wasn't set up. Normally it would just play automatically, but because I've been messing about with it, I'd knock the audio player off. So that's how you do it. If yours is the same, that's how you do it.